How to use breakout rooms in Adobe Connect. Wish you knew how to get that student-to-student engagement in your live session classroom? Here's how! In Adobe Connect, create a blank layout and be sure to keep the attendees pod handy. We'll need that later. We're going to create a layout that will be the framework for each of our individual breakout rooms. Populate the room from the pods drop-down. Remember to keep it simple as students are going to be working independently here. With the layout set up, use the attendees pod to enter the breakout view. Then hit that plus icon to create the room. Now that you see the room, go ahead and start breakouts. You have to start breakouts to work in the breakout rooms. Then you can click your name or drag and drop into the room you want. Let's view Breakout Room 1. The layout is the same as the layout you made, and all your rooms will look like this. That plus button makes breakout rooms look like the room you're in when you hit the button. To end breakouts or broadcast a message, click the gold breakout button at the top right. To broadcast a message, you simply type up what you want, and that sends a push message to all participants. Now, click End Breakouts. You'll want to set up the rooms individually with instructions, media, etc., but that's the gist of it. But wait, you're not ready to go off and try it out quite yet. Our lesson recordings don't record breakout rooms, and you need to be able to monitor what's happening. For this, we need to create what I like to call an HQ layout. From the Pods menu drop-down, go down to Breakout Pods. From there, you can pull the chat pods from each of your breakout rooms. Next, pull any other pods from the breakout rooms that you'll want to monitor, like these note pods. Let's jump back into our breakout session again and visit Breakout Room 1. What I type here in the chat and note pods are visible in the HQ layout. They show up in live time. This is great for monitoring and recording your lessons, but it doesn't allow you to interact. For that, we're going to create a slightly more advanced HQ layout, copying our old one and ditching the chat pods. Let's go back into our breakout rooms now, and we are going to hide these chat pods. We don't want them anymore. Instead, let's pull the pod menu down and create a new chat pod, an Everyone chat pod, and rename it Breakout Chat 1. We repeat these steps for our other breakout rooms. Then, using the same process, populate our new HQ with these new chat pods we've created. You can see that you now have the ability to type in the chat pod. It otherwise works exactly the same way as before. But one more thing, now that you're ready to give it a try. To sort students into all available breakout rooms, click the twisted arrows icon to automatically and randomly sort students. If you have a small group, you could do it by hand. I know breakout rooms might seem scary, but you should feel comfortable enough now to take that educational risk. Good luck!